Hey guys, so this is a pretty quick video on how to read my programming. So the key thing to first start looking at is that all letters belong together. And what's called a superset would be if you have more than one of the same letter. So looking at A means it is done alone. So that means it is just a back squat. You're going to perform 5 repetitions, so 5 squats for 4 sets. So meaning one set is 5 repetitions. So it'd be 5 reps times 4. So it'd be equivalent of 20 reps over the entire workout. Then you're going to perform this tempo. That will be in another video. Don't worry about it. And then you're going to rest 90 seconds. So to read this perfectly, it would be A done on its own. You're going to perform 5 back squats, rest 90 seconds, 5 back squats, rest 90 seconds, 5 back squats, rest 90 seconds, 5 back squats onto B. So now you'll notice that B1 and B2, they have the same letter. So that means they belong together. So looking at B1, this means you have a pull-up. You're going to perform 6 repetitions. So again, 6 pull-ups for 4 sets at this tempo, which is another video. And you're going to rest 2 minutes. Except now this time, instead of doing a pull-up and going back to another set of pull-ups like the back squat, what you're going to do is you are going to do 6 pull-ups, rest 2 minutes, and then you're going to move on to B2. So basically, you're kind of just hopping back and forth from B1, B2 until 4 sets of each have been complete. So you're going to do 6 pull-ups, rest 2 minutes. Then you're going to do 8 bench press, rest 2 minutes, back to pull-ups. And you're going to go back and forth until you've completed 4 sets of pull-ups and 4 sets of bench press. And that's going to be how you would read B1 and B2. Now, if you notice, C is alone. So it doesn't have a C2. That means these intervals are done on their own. Don't worry about too much about like the mix up of the exercise or anything like that. Like it's all arbitrary. It's just saying that is intervals. So that means these are done in order. So that means you're going to start with a 250-meter row. Then you're going to do 10 burpees. Then you're going to do 10 kettlebell swings. Then you're going to rest 2 minutes and you're going to do that 4 times. So it would be row, burpees, kettlebell swings, rest 2 minutes, back to your row. And you're going to do that a total of 4 intervals of those 3 exercises. Then you're going to move on to D. And again, if you notice, D is on its own. So it's another set of intervals, which means it is a 25 cal air bike. Then you're going to rest 2 minutes and you're going to perform that 4 times as well. So just like the intervals before we've seen, that means 25 cal bike, rest 2 minutes, 25 cal bike, rest 2 minutes, 25 cal bike, rest 2 minutes, 25 cal bike. So that would be kind of a quick programming. Now we can have all of these the same. So if I really wanted to kind of throw one, we can go A1, back squat, A2, pull up, A3, bench press, A4, air bike. So if we wanted to kind of have something like this could be an entire workout. However, all of these 4 exercises are performed going through them all together. So the difference between being before, where it would be back squat on its own, you would be doing a back squat here into a pull-up, into a bench press, into an air bike, and back to the back squat. So any letters that have the same number start, all the numbers after that kind of go with it as well. So it doesn't matter. You could have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of those are kind of done together. So just pay attention to the letter and the numbers. Other than that, as I said, it is repetitions and sets, and pay attention to the rest. So, and then other than that, you should be pretty good to go.